Today is February 8th, 2012. I'm in the Full Sail University Visual Frameworks course, and today I'm going to talk about my week 2, project 2. And what I did for this one is I added some JavaScript functions and more details in my style sheet. I didn't encounter any problems this week, which was pretty cool. Actually, it was awesome because this week was my schedule was insane. Things that I discovered this week in regards to CSS. One thing that that I thought was really cool was the fact that you can do what I have here, a pseudo class in my style sheet. I didn't know about that before, and that was pretty neat. I liked learning about that anyway. And another question that I can answer is how does local storage benefit my users? Well, local storage benefits my users because if they use my app, you have the media library where you can add the type of media that you have to your library. You can store it locally. You don't even need to have access to the internet actually to be able to store data locally. That's a good advantage. The disadvantage, the way this is built right now, obviously, is they can accidentally delete all the media that they just stored with just one click, and it's boom, it's all deleted. That could be a disadvantage. And the other thing I learned that I was really happy to learn this week was this right here where it says media library. It's with a font that is not on my local computer. Instead, it's a font that is from Google. It's called Parisian, and I'm calling to it in my style sheet, and the font is actually coming from the internet. So yeah, they do need the internet connection to be able to get a font. Just for this header though, gives it that nice swirly look. And in my style sheet for that where I call to Parisian, what I did is the body doesn't use that font from Google, but what it does do is it takes it in right here in the header 1, it asks for that font that is coming from google.com web fonts. I think that's pretty awesome that I can do that. The other thing too is with style sheets, I like the fact that I can make these curved outlines, you know, make different shapes without using graphics. I think that's pretty neat. Which is right here. This is how I get the shadow. Right here, the field set. See, there's a shadow underneath this text right here, media info. There is some in the header too, but how I did that shadow is I added it into my style sheet, which is right here. And as you can see, it's called the field set, and the field set is in my HTML, which is right here. And since this is part of the field set, media info, and my style sheet said give it a shadow, ta-da! Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like that, you know, style sheets, I like too that they're separate from the HTML. It makes cleaner code, which is definitely appreciate that. Especially when I'm working on code super late at night after working another job all day and, you know, taking care of all my other responsibilities on top of this coding. So yeah, the other thing I like too is just the fact that the code is clean. It's easier to read. It's easier on the eyes. And that's all I really have to share today. Well, I guess I can show you quick on the iPhone simulator what my app does. So choose media type. You can choose like a book, document, music. So we're going to add music. Then we'll go to the next one. Give it a name. I don't know. Say Lady Gaga for now. Day, month, year, 12/12/2009. I'll rate it at a 9. Give it, the topic is personal. The tags are, I don't know, dance, disco. This is a comment. So this is what my app looks, and it's media saved. This is what it looks like on the iPhone. Show all data. I put it into a div, like how our lessons for this class showed. I did have problems showing the data, but hopefully I'll get that figured out in the next few days. And just deleted all the data. Okay, now that's really all I have to say today.